Where'd he go?
There's no one.
He's in the water. He's in the water. Dude, he's monkeying around.
What is that? That's like a feral person.
Got it.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
He's dirty. Oh, you attack him back.
I'm coming to help. I'm coming to help.
Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, he's running. Get back.
Is it like a monkey man?
Yeah, what?
Puffton, age 60.
Don't skip this bad boy.
Ooh, well, the daughter, 20.
Interesting.
I'm in a helicopter.
Yeah, same. I could have chose to skip this though, but I felt like we probably shouldn't. Oh, why does my wrist say fight demons?
Somebody got shot.
Oh shit!
What am I looking at? Is that you guys?
I don't know.
Leak's missing.
We're crashing though.
Is that what you're looking for? Old grandma?
I can't hear you guys right now. It is too loud.
You're not gonna find anywhere alive down there.
Demons.
All right.
I think we're both pulling up. We're behind each other, man.
Oh, I am hanging.
I'm behind there.
Anthony, are you on the ground? How are you in the game already? Did you skip the I am watching a cutscene of my pilot fall to his death. Anthony, he fell right in front of you.
Anthony, save me.
Anthony, don't open the suitcase. Stop. I can see you from up here.
Anthony, cut us down. Where are you going?
Anthony! Anthony, I landed on the ground. Do you see me?
Can't see shit. Oh shit, dude has got no space.
Bro, I just woke up to someone punching me in the face. Oh my god, that's a gun! I just got pistol whipped. Anthony, did you knock down a tree?
No? Why?
You
I just heard
lying.
something
I don't
really
like
loud
those.
crash.
Those are bad.
Oh, hi, Anthony.
Told him to follow
I don't
me.
like spice.
Anthony, what you doing? Anthony, I can look in your backpack.
Hey,
Hey, don't look at my backpack. Hey, look, Clayton.
I just fell, man. I'm waking up. When you play this game solo, you get a robot. My blood. Why are you hitting me? I'm almost dead.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
how do I fucking open my inventory?
Hey! Hey, back off. Back off. Hey! Hey!
You're gonna kill me. Okay, we're done. We're done. You're
Back
gonna
off.
kill me,
Back
bro.
off. Back
You're
off.
gonna kill me.
Let's think this through. Let's think this through. Bro, Anthony's the only one at full health because he didn't go through the cutscene.
No, again, he didn't get beat with a rock. Who is this guy? Oh, he's a robot.
We got a robot?
Yeah, he can follow
I start
stuff.
collecting things.
He'll get stuff for us. Oh, he's following me.
Bro, I just found grenades. Meds? Sweet. Hey, back off!
What? I didn't do
Nigga.
nothing, man.
You hit me!
I didn't. I just took a yum.
Guys, I found flares.
I got a flare guy. Watch this.
Did you just... Oh, wait, Leighton said so.
No, don't throw it at me. Did you just eat some pills, Anthony?
An accident. I didn't know what the fuck he did.
Oh. I know what I gotta
Now
do.
I know.
I'm getting meds. I got an axe.
Hey, lady.
You got an axe?
Yeah.
From where? Did you craft it? Hey!
No. Alright, click. You gotta go into your inventory.
Whoa, I got a
Oh,
knife.
I unequip things.
I don't have a mouse. I can't see my mouse.
Yeah, I don't need it.
I'm trying to...
How do I go in my inventory? Tab?
I.
Oh. Go to, you gotta go to I and you gotta open up your survival pack.
I have a circuit board.
Open up your
okay.
survival pack. See it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm drinking an energy drink. right now. Hi.
How'd you open it?
You gotta bring it to them. It should tell you. There's like a whole tutorial thing.
Oh yeah.
T is talking.
Gearbox.
Iron.
A GPS tracker. Alright.
can pick up
You guys
rock.
get a
Watch
GPS tracker too?
Look what I got. Boom.
Oh, that's a big ass rock.
Garage made.
What'd you say?
Oh
rock.
shit!
Guys, we have a walkie-talkie, so like, if we shouldn't be in Discord. We should be in game talking to each other. That'd be so much.
That'd
be terrifying.
So fucking cancer.
Nah, we're committed, man. We're committed on Discord.
It'd be cooler in
Bird
game,
axe.
man.
Alright.
All right. What should we do?
The gun.
You guys want to like chop down tree or something? Bro, there's wildlife over here.
We should go find a place to start set up camp.
Wildlife. Let's kill this. Let's kill the deer.
Alright, so get them.
Get back here. I'm faster than you are.
Widow is running away.
Guys.
Our robot.
Guys, where are you?
We can't leave our friend.
Oh, hi, Anthony.
He's our slave.
Whoa, I have a book called The Basics of Construction.
We don't need that right now. Second edition. Oh, because of the forest.
Sway.
Alright, we gotta find a place to
I found a
find a place
stick.
to stop going that way. We found a place to set up camp. We got our boy.
Guys.
What's this guy's name? Ken? We got our boy Kelvin. Go Kelvin.
So if you guys look on the GPS tracker,
How do you
there
open
are
it, though?
eyes. What?
How do you get your GPS tracker open?
It was in your thing. So click
okay.
I.
Yeah, I know. Yep,
And
what
you can
about
see the important points to go to. Hey!
it?
Who did that?
What? That was Kelvin. Look at
Bruh.
dude. Look at Kelvin. Does he look innocent to you, man?
He does. And
Why?
you don't.
See, I didn't do nothing. Look, can Kelvin do this? Hey, stay away.
You know, right now we're not going towards any of those eyes.
Alright,
the
let's not go to the
exclamation
eyes.
point. What? Why?
Because
Those are the
eyes
important
sound
points.
bad.
Squirrel!
Get it, get it.
I got it!
Yeah, I got a squirrel, guys.
All the credit.
Guys, I got food!
You also got food? Oh, you want its head? I have
Yeah.
a head.
I got a head too.
Wait, where's... I don't know what to do. Alright. My axe back.
Oh, where are we going? Are we going to Anthony?
No, yeah,
Where's
we gotta find a place to set up camp. I think that's first things first.
Well, Anthony's up here, man.
Anthony,
Another
slow
squirrel!
down. Anthony, I said slow down, not keep going.
Oh shit, my bad. Barely fucking hear you because this game's so loud.
You can turn it down in settings. My sound's good right now, I think. Get him! Nah, he's gone. Oh, there he is!
Bud.
Get him!
I'm looking at something right now.
I got him.
Should we make a camp near the water?
Yeah, so we have water. By this river, you think? No. Should we follow this river down, or...?
I'm thinking following
Cal-
following it down. I think we should follow it down.
Kelvin doesn't like the river, so doesn't like the water. He's a robot. So I think we have to... He'll
walk
fly
alongside of it.
it.
Bruh.
What?
You said we're building a mansion. Are you
There
building
it
this right
is.
here? What are you doing?
Nothing. We're gonna make a...
Log cabin? What is this?
We're gonna do a small log cabin. This is gonna be a
You got like an outline going?
Yeah, I will. 1 second. Right there.
Right there.
Why do you pick these up now?
What? You just some of them I can't pick up for some reason. Bro, why are there two different blueprints?
I don't want a house.
Bro, we're building them to to have together.
Yeah.
Oh.
You just need 40 more logs. Bro, wait, it's almost a swastika. Should we finish the swastika?
You're...
I say we finish the swastika.
Why did you destroy that one? We need to destroy this one right here. Andrew, I thought we were building this.
No, I thought you were giving up on it, so I started picking things
No,
up.
I was trying to get this up. So we can move it.
Oh, it's too late.
Got my boy Kelvin putting in the work.
Why
Okay,
the fuck
this one
would you get in the way, Kelvin?
Dude, if you're my boy Kelvin, you do nothing.
I know, man.
Well,
Yeah,
you fucking...
man.
You're like...
Kelvin's a G.
I don't
Oh, we
want
need
to
to
fucking
get
give
we
him...
need to get planks. How do we get planks? Click an E in it, it automatically does it.
Sweet. You picked up my fucking log,
Yeah, now-
Anthony. God damn it.
Alright,
Leighton just picked up my fucking log.
we're gonna do about it, huh?
I ain't gonna do nothing about it, man.
building
Just you picked it up.
We're putting in the
I'm
work.
just trying to, man. I'm just trying to build a house here. Timber.
Can juggle 3 logs. I'm that good at this game.
Isn't it just clicking E? Oh my god, it's injuring me.
My stick's at.
Why is mine injuring me?
You guys drop stuff on me? Oh yeah, you guys aren't ready for this. Hear this. I got a bow.
Bro, why are you building shit right now, man? We're trying to build a house. Dude.
Drop this shit.
Alright.
We just need one more plank. Go on, Anthony. Finish the house.
Hey... Oh.
There's a blog in the house.
Is it really?
Get that shit out of there. Yeah, there was. Can you place some beds down or something?
Well, we can build a stick bed.
I'm trying to figure out how to build beds.
Okay.
Where do you see the bed at?
Yeah, if you hold X, there's like a whole second section.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not seeing a bed area. Like I'm seeing like we should build a tree shelter next though.
You guys, do one of us has tape?
Oh, I found
We're
it.
gonna need tape.
I have tape.
Alright, start building the bed.
You can only build one bed though.
Who is this? Andrew? This is your
What?
type of woman.
Give me one moment. How do I put this away?
No, she might disappear, man.
Give me I'm trying to build this.
It's a
first.
mermaid, man. No. Get over here. It can wait.
Alright, where you at? How do I put this away? Get out of my way, Anthony! Fucking walked in front of me. Anthony, you're
no.
purple.
Get her.
Where's she going? Hey! Hey! Why are you killing her? What'd you do? What are you doing? Stop
She
it!
couldn't-
Stop
She
it!
couldn't
I'm
be
healing.
left alive.
Stop!
She can't be left
What the
alive.
fuck are you
I just
doing?
killed her! You're wasting my heals!
Leighton, stop!
Okay, I'll stop.
Leighton, what the fuck?
What?
Now we can't repopulate. Nice job, Dan.
There'll be more. She had 3 legs. They know 3 legs.
I wanted that shit, man. That means 2 pussies. You have an MRE?
Nah, I did. I'm running to the ocean to see if I can drink. Oh, look, there's a tent.
There's a tent out here?
Oh, it's on the water.
That's not a tent, that's a fucking lifeboat.
That looks like me.
It took my fish!
Damn. You
It
got
took
robbed.
my fish!
You got robbed.
I still have a raw fish in my inventory, but it took one of my fish, man. I've never been so heartbroken in my life. I'm going out to the
Just yoinked your fish.
shop. You did, dude! I've never had a fish yoink from me before, dude. You don't realize how sad it is until it happens to you.
Oh, I just want to build a tree house.
Why
I
can't
can't
I
get
slap this
logs
thing?
up here.
I'm gonna die of thirst. I forgot how I gained water before.
I went to a random
Doesn't
pond and
even-
started drinking. Why can't I place any more logs down?
So
Oh, it's
I
too
can't
small.
find the
It's-
fish trap.
That is definitely there's someone coming towards you, Andy.
What?
There is someone coming right towards you.
Where at? Where's he at?
On the beach. Look behind you. Oh, never mind. He's taking a turn. Where'd he go?
There's no one.
He's in the water. He's in the water. Dude, he's monkeying around.
What is that? That's like a feral person.
Guy,
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
he's dirty. Oh, you attack him back.
I'm coming to help. I'm coming to help.
Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, he's running. Get back.
Is it like a monkey man?
Come on, bro.
Lane,
What?
look at me. No, back here, behind you. Give him a kiss.
No.
Mwah.
Why just make me kiss the guy, man?
You know you did.
Yeah, took something.
Hey, look what I can do with the head.
What are you doing?
I just shake it.
Got a little bit of fire last I knew.
Not there anymore.
Kelvin just jump scared me.
Calvin jump scared you.
Yeah.
Is there any more, bro? That's a lot of food.
I can't see shit. I'm literally blind. I
Dude.
can't see anything.
I just heard someone yell, "What's up?"
Indie movie.
Second.
I'm taking a break.
What?
Just
What's
chilling.
Kelvin doing? Dude, someone just popped in your tree. I ain't gonna lie.
What? Someone hopped into it right now?
Dude, I swear some guy just jumped in there.
Jumped in where?
Anthony's little tree. I saw someone just. They haven't seen anything.
There is someone in there.
I just told you. I think.
Shit.
There is.
There you go.
He's right here. He's right here.
There's two of them. Look behind you guys. You guys gotta get.
He's got weapons. He has weapons. Leighton, come help.
I'm coming.
That guy's all wild.
One's dead. One's dead.
Get him, Anthony.
We got him.
I'm picking him up.
I got one too.
Let's go
Alright,
live.
bring him. There's an arm up there. Oh, I can't carry any more than 3 arms.
No more. Told Annie Meaty no more.
So what you can do is you can up the river. There's a cave right next to the exclamation point. That's the one we're gonna go to. What?
I killed a monkey. I killed. Oh no! I attacked a monkey man. Oh, I killed monkey man.
Leighton,
What?
come into the house.
One second.
Go, Leighton.
What?
One more.
Caught it.
You see it fucking disappear out of midair.
That's a lot of strength. They just catches. You proud of yourself?
I am very proud of myself.
That would be cool. Kelvin sitting in the chair, man.
Kelvin sitting in the chair. Bro's comfy. What are you doing back there, man? I can't see you. Oh shit, I need to start heading to the gym.
Let's go save then, before we do anything, cause I wanna go back out in that fucking water again. It's scary.
You gotta save too.
Going to save the game.
I was just trying to kick the boombox back for us, man. So we can listen.
We can be straight vibing at home.
No, man. I got it kind of far. I got it back there, guys.
save real quickly. Hold on. I'm coming. Oh shit.
Save, yes. Alright, is everyone saved?
Game
Oh,
saved.
1 second. Can I put
Elvin's
these
sitting on the
here?
chair.
Bro, he's vibing.
Oh, I'm coming safe. Alright, I'm safe.
Alright. I'm gonna close the game.
Alrighty, see you.
And I'll be back in probably an hour if you guys are... Nah, probably.